So guys, I was actually lucky. Today I'm fixing my X5 diesel, 35 diesel, and I have a harmonic balancer issue. So this is my harmonic balancer. Look guys, it is Torrent. So we in United States we have very good upgrade. It cost $800 with the serpentine belt, with the taxes, or probably $700 with the shipping, made in USA. The price is same as if you buy brand new OEM original, but the thing is it has silicone inside, so it has lifetime warranty. Also they gave me this pulley for the upgraded pulley for the alternator. It will have less vibration, and they give me two belts. One is small, another is big, and this tool is for small belt because you need to install it. Actually, also you need to buy the special tool, lock pin, but I used my impact and I unscrew all bolts, all 4 bolts, so I was able to take this off. Let me that open. Okay, good, it's out. It is also heavy. Look at this madness, guys. Now I have very funny story. I came to smoke check, and after I done smoke check, when I came out of the garage, my car started burning and the people who give me California smoke certificate, they were scared because they thought that I have problem with the engine, but actually the problem is here. Look how bad it is. Yeah, it's very bad. Other side is good. What will happen if you will drive with this? It doesn't spin, so it will burn there until it fell down, and it will destroy all surrounding here. What is next to this harmonic balancer, destroy everything here. Probably in some cases it will destroy also the engine. It will hit the engine. Probably it could easily make a hole. I heard in some cases it's destroyed the hood. It could, yeah. And I will install upgraded harmonic balancer. Also I will install a pulley and for alternator, and after that I will tie this bolt. Actually the people say that I need to replace them because they stretch bolt, but I will tie them and like with the hand and feel it. When the bolt will stop, it means the bolt is tightened. So next step is install this harmonic balancer, tie the bolts, replace this pulley. Also for this job you need to take the fan off and intercooler. I'm not sure about the intercooler because probably you need to just unplug one left passenger side, driver side hose, and take this filter off, fan, and this pipe. Very important thing to take the fan off. From one side you have here this ear and bracket, but another is folding. So after you lose the bracket, you need to fold it, and then you will able to slide it up. But here's I'm gonna show you locking mechanism. You need to press this to take the fan off. You need to press this plastic pin on the both side, lift it a little bit, and then fold that plastic bracket, and you will able to take off the fan, and also unplug the connector.